Hi, here's a Hunter low profile 5 fan, running on low speed, inhibition on medium and high. That fan was the second fastest fan in the bar, or the fastest low profile 5 fan after the fastest one before was replaced with Harbury Centerville. I remember seeing 4 low profile fans through all those years in a bar, and I was wondering when I would get them. And in 2017, someone apparently tried to clean the blade in the southeast one, and motor must have gotten off of 1 or 2 hook mounting bracket, and the owner called it dead and just replaced it with Harbury Centerville. And they bought a fan, and it took months for the owner to find an electrician to install it. And before an electrician finally got around to installing it, I saw the spin down of the 3 low profile 5 fan once, and only once. And this one had a longer spin down than 2 others. It took much longer to spin down. I'll also be showing spin down in this video, and I shall be showing motor running without the blades. The fans in the bar run a dimmer at some points, but there was a time the dimmer was replaced with on-off switch, then it replaced with variable speed control that electrician picked. Maybe it's another dimmer, maybe it's a solid state speed control, or maybe an LED dimmer, which could be used as solid state speed control, because I tried solid state speed control for LED light once and it worked fine. About 2 years ago, someone pulled the chain on 3 Hunter low profile fan from high to medium, and then I finally got around to talking to owner, and that's how I found out that the dimmer replaces on and off switch. Though I don't know how long the dimmer was there before then. I only saw them on high until late 2013. All 4 are dated 3rd week of 2003 and are made by CEI. The bar actually opened in 1998, and the owner didn't think about having fans, but then some customers complained about the bar being hot, and the train station the bar was in didn't have air conditioning working too well, so the owner decided to get the fans. It was also the only business in train station to have ceiling fans. And now that the bar closed and have all the fans, there are no fans in that train station right now. Through the years I've been seeing the train station, I never noticed any bearing noise, probably because the train station is always noisy. But now, here it's quiet, I can hear some bearing noise. And it has some slight wobble, and blows a good amount of air. They've been used a lot when they were in a bar before. And I had to clean the grease off the blades. And you could still see some marks on the blades from where I had to clean the grease off. Also, back when they were a bar, sometimes the fans didn't seem to get too much power sometimes, because sometimes even when they're in a full speed, they spin more like medium high, or maybe close to high, but not all of the way. Right now it's spinning about 210 revolutions per minute. Sometimes in a bar, even a full speed is only about 170 revolutions per minute. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.